Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. On a daily time frame chart, after breaking out a falling wedge pattern, Algorand has formed this broadening rising wedge pattern, and you can see whenever it is getting bound from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs and higher lows. And this time again, it is bound from the support and trying to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you a very huge breakout that is happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. And it has also formed a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of this inverse. This is the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this resistance zone that I was showing you starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents is also working as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And I would also like to show you this move as well. And I would also like to show you this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Right now, Algorand is also trying to break out this very huge resistance on this 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of March 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Algorand that I shared a few days ago on 19th of March 2024 with my members. And this is a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that Algorand was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price and moved slightly down than this potential reversals on here, but recovered back very soon, and then we had almost 25% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you could find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And a few days ago, I was showing you this falling wedge pattern that Algorand formed on this daily time frame chart, and I was telling you that after breaking out the wedge, the technical target is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 25 cents, but there will be a very high probability that the price end may also try to break out this long-term resistance of 30 cents as well. And you can see that the price end has rallied beyond the target for this breakout. And so far from this though, when it was testing the support of the wedge up till this high, it has rallied almost 122%. And now it is stuck inside another in another broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs and higher lows. This time again, it is bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And in order to form another higher high, like it is doing every time after getting bounced, it will need to break out this resistance of 30 cents. And this time, if the price end will form another higher than previous high, then it can move somewhere here approximately at 45 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that previously Algorand was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern since after the month of Feb 2021. And therefore, this was a multi-year based resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, now it can start a very long-term rally to the upside. So far, from this low to here, it has rallied almost 302%, but still a very huge move too. And that is a target for this breakout from this wedge pattern. And within next few moments, I'll tell you what that target can be. But before that, I would like to show you this very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern that Algorand has formed on this weekly time frame chart. And this resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents is also working as a neckline of this very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern. At the same time, you can see that Algorand is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. We have broken out the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is about to break out the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And after that, we can expect a very massive rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the technical targets, then technical target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at $1.11. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That is between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.